How to properly remove contact lenses. First, make sure you wash your hands with soap and water and thoroughly dry your hands. Next, position yourself in front of a well-lit mirror. Gently pull down your lower eyelid with your non-dominant hand. Using your dominant hand, use your fingertips to slide the lens down onto the white part of your eye. Once the lens is resting on the white part of your eye, gently pinch it between your thumb and index finger. Carefully remove the lens from your eye, and try to avoid dropping it. If using reusable contact lenses, always use fresh solution in the case. If using daily contact lenses, they must be thrown in the rubbish bin. Contact lenses must not be disposed of in your toilet or sink. Always remember to remove one lens at a time to avoid mix-ups.